Hey folks, Randy here doing cut and trim. So we got something cool in the mail. Got some Eazy front casters. I'm gonna put these on my Toro Timemaster and see how it works out. Gotta be honest, before I've even messed with them, I'm a little concerned about these casters. They are nowhere near as nice as I was hoping. We'll see. So I've been reading through the directions. The wheel assembly is going to have to come off, and what I'm guessing is the new casters are going to mount to these. There's a bolt here and a bolt there, and I'm guessing that's where this is going to mount to. We'll find out. Yeah, we'll see. Also worth pointing out, this is ridiculous. I don't know, man. I've seen online that people have put these on Timemasters before, but that is an absurdly tiny wheel compared to what's already there. Looks like it's going to take a 14mm socket to take this wheel off. It's off. Put that back on there so I don't lose it. I just want to give you a little bit of a better view. This is the existing front tire, and this is what I'm replacing it with. That is a massive difference in size. We'll see. I'm definitely making this so that I can put it back the way it was if it doesn't work out. Alright, using a 3/8 to take this off. Gonna do the same thing on this side, and I think this whole axle assembly is going to come off. And there it goes. All right, and I'm gonna screw these back into what they screwed into, so again, so I don't lose anything. It's kind of crazy. This is just hard plastic, man. I tell you what, Toro really cheaped out on some of the parts on the Timemaster. I should hold this the other way so you can see what I'm doing. And that's the front axle assembly completely removed from the Toro Timemaster. I might make this a separate standalone video because I don't know if anybody will ever need that info, but it's pretty easy to do. So now we're going to put the Eazy front casters on. Alright, so we got two mounting holes right here. This is what was holding the front axle on. And they line up at these holes, impressively enough. So the outermost holes line up. Now what I don't know is if I'm going to have to make the holes on the Timemaster bigger. I guess I'll find that out now. Yeah, these holes are going to need to be drilled out a lot. Not even close. Alright, so I need a 3/8 hole. Unfortunately, I only have a 7/16 bit, so I'm going to make the holes slightly larger. It'll still be fine if I end up putting the front axle back on. Having these holes a little bigger is not going to make too much of an issue. If it does, I can always just put washers in there. So let's oh, these holes do not line up. Oh man. I thought the holes lined up. Shoot. Okay, well, the first one's on. I don't know. This may end up being a huge mistake. I feel like it's turning this mower into like a toy. It's the same process for doing the other side, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that off camera, and then I'll come back when she's all set up. Okay, so both casters are on. This caster right here is on its highest setting for cutting, but I gotta adjust this one. So the way you do that is you loosen this, and then you pull that out, slide it down to whatever level it is you're looking for, put it back in. Alright, let's take her on our maiden voyage. Alright, it's raining outside, but I really am curious to see how this bad boy runs, so I'm just going to cut in the rain.